Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2475 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, June 18th, 2020. It's 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:25 p.m. Central Time, and 7:25 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have CKKT 15 spots, CRLE 3 spots, Detour 1, Mike 4, E-Rock 1, Robbie Light with 7 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. CK, you're on top. Robbie Light, you're on the bottom once, twice. The retimes 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has CKKT on top and bottom. CKKT Ducks, Coyotes, Robbie Light Bruins, CRLE Sabres, Robbie Light Flames, Mike Will with the Hurricanes, CKKT with the Blackhawks, Avalanche, Blue Jackets, E-Rock with the Stars, Mike Will with the Red Wings, Oilers, CKKT Panthers, Kings, CRLE with the Wild, CK Canadians, Predators, Devils, Robbie Light Islanders, Detour with the Rangers, Mike Will Senators, CRLE Flyers, Robbie Light with the Penguins, CK with the Blues, Sharks, Robbie Light with the Lightning, CK with the Leafs, Canucks, Robbie Light Knights, Capitals, and CK with the Winnipeg Jets. So we're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Alrighty. Got an extra one in there. Alright, we'll take the bonus. It's supposed to be 1 card per box, but we'll take the 2. Hopefully they're 2 different teams here. So first up, we have a Credentials 29 out of 299. Chicago Blackhawks debut ticket access, Dominic Kubalik auto. Very nice for the Blackhawks. Sweet. And we do have an extra on the inside, or that was the extra, because we also have a Crown Royal Silhouette. Rookie auto jersey 47 out of 99 of Alexander Barkov and the Panthers. How about that? So we had the Panthers and the Blackhawks out of our 1 card box here. That's sweet. So we have the Blackhawks, Panthers. Let's see who has what. That was nice of them to give us a little extra on the inside. So we have first, let's grab the Blackhawks. Chicago Blackhawks going to CKKT. Congrats. We have the rookie jersey auto of Barkov out of 99 for the Panthers. And the Florida Panthers going to CKKT. Congrats. All right, guys, that was break 24.75 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and we're coming right back with another Hockey Limited Edition, break 2478. Thanks!